Another problem on binary operation. So I know this board is a bit small, so but if you look at what I'm writing now, you get everything clear. It says the operation star is defined on the set R of real numbers by A asterisk B equals A over B plus B over A, where A and B belongs to R. Simplify x plus 1, some people call it star, or asterisk 2 equals 3. So how do we solve this kind of problem? Now we have the operation, binary operation, A star B is equals to A over B plus B over A. Now we're asked to simplify x plus 1 asterisk 2 equals 3. So what that means is wherever I see A, I'll use my A to be x plus 1, and then I'll use my A will be x plus 1, then my B will be equals to 2. So wherever I see them, I'll substitute inside of this and equate it to 3. So my A is x plus 1, my B is 2, then plus my B is 2, and my A is x plus 1, all be equals to 3. So if I cross multiply and do butterfly method, I'm going to have x plus 1 all squared plus this times gives me 4 divided by this times is 2x plus 1 all be equals to 3. So I can now do my final cross multiplication. So this will be x, if I expand, it's going to be x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4. This multiplies this, I'm going to have 6x plus 1, because 2 times 3 is 6. So if I open this, I'm going to have x squared plus 2x plus 5. 6 times x, 6x. 6 times 1 gives me 6. So I'll group all of them one side to make it a quadratic equation. So this is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 6x, because this will cross over, plus 5 minus 6 will give me 0. So I have x squared minus 4x. 5 minus 6 will give me minus 1, and that will be equals to 0. So I can solve this using quadratic equation to obtain the value of x. So if I have my A to be 1, B to be minus 4, and C to be minus 1, you can substitute the value of x to be minus B plus minus root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So please try and solve this and give us your results at the comment section. I've done the major work by getting to this point and even introducing the formula. So